Well, again, that's their private decision to make. And clearly, katulad na sinabi niya kung naging dahil ng pag-atras niya, ito kasi controversy, no, na ginawa dahil tungkol sa pag-link up ng mga facilities daw, no, sa palasyo, and given her family relationships, hindi naman siguro katakataka kung gano'n mga decision niya. Like I said, that's her private decision. Dito sa issue ng party list, I've been thinking, kasi, di ba merong may mga nagsasabi na para mag-represent ng security guards, kailangan maging security guards ka rin. Alam niyo, if you think about that, ang gusto mo sa, whether you are a party list or a regular congressional district, electing a regular congressman the old way, the old-fashioned way, ang gusto mo yung tao maging effective sa loob ng Kongreso. He may not necessarily be in the same line of work that you are. Okay? So, again, I think this is something additional, another way to look at this whole issue. Ang gusto po natin, I would imagine na whether we are a regular voting constituency or a party list, ang gusto po natin na makakatawa sa atin sa loob ng Kongreso, yung mga tao maging effective sa loob ng Kongreso. So we look for the skills, we look for the quality, the background, that will make them effective. Now, if I'm a fisherman's group, papadala ko ba yung aking kasama, kaibigan ng pagkada si whoever na magiging mag-represent sa akin sa Kongreso, only because he's a fisherman. At yun lang, it's a enough of a qualification. Hindi naman po yata tama yun. For my own good, okay, as a fisherman group, I will represent somebody who understands what I'm doing as a fisherman, who will speak for my cause as a fisherman group, and who will be able to be effective throughout the Kongreso. So, and those may require different skills and backgrounds than based on the fisherman's community, or practicing the fisherman's livelihood. So, yun lang. Just another way of looking at this particular issue.
Alam po.